Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a GIF in Canva quickly. Let's start. Open Canva and create a new project. Add a moving element to your design. For this example, go to the Elements tab, search for fish, and click Graphics. Filter the results by selecting Animated Graphics. Choose the animated fish you want, then click to add it to your page. Once added, you'll see it continuously moves with a duration of 6.6 seconds. To export it as a GIF, click the Share button and select Download. Under File Type, choose GIF. Click Download. Once saved, you can use this GIF in emails, landing pages, or anywhere you need a looping animation. And that's it. If this helped, give this video a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.